A new fight between Valverde and Tchouaméni forces an unprecedented crisis cabinet in the dressing room. The Uruguayan had to go to the hospital and the situation prompts the club's intervention. Tension in the Real Madrid dressing room has not only failed to ease after yesterday's fight between Valverde and Tchouaméni, but the atmosphere has worsened even further in the last few hours. According to what Marca has learned, there has been a new incident inside the dressing room described as very serious, which has forced an emergency meeting and led the club to consider taking action. The new episode, also starring Valverde and Tchouaméni, has been described internally as very serious by several members of the dressing room's inner circle. A heated fight from the very first moment that even forced several team members to intervene and ended with the Uruguayan having to go to the hospital. Far from being an isolated incident, the confrontation confirms the evident deterioration of internal coexistence at a particularly sensitive moment for the team. Sources say that the new conflict has been much worse than the one that took place yesterday in Valverde. The magnitude of what happened has caused an emergency meeting inside the dressing room just minutes after the altercation. Not a single player left the training ground in an unprecedented crisis meeting. The aim is to put an end to all these problems and try to halt an escalation of tension that is causing serious concern at the highest levels of the club. As of today, the atmosphere at Madrid is one of maximum tension, with nerves, internal division, and a growing sense that the situation is far from being resolved.